So I finally bought a pair of these Harbor Freight loading ramps. I've already used them and had really good luck with them so far. I bought them because I was transporting that riding lawnmower, fit in the back of this truck just fine, was able to roll it down, roll it up, no issues there. But these used to be about 50, I think they were 50 bucks brand new a couple years ago. Now they've almost doubled in price, but they're still worth it. When I realized that they had these, I remembered that they had them, it was really a no-brainer to pick up a set, even though they were a little bit more money. It tells you how to set them up and everything. If you're loading heavy equipment like a riding lawnmower or an ATV or something like that, you need to use ratchet straps and hook them up to your bumper or your tow hitch, just so you kind of lock them in place. You're safe. But overall, they work pretty good. And all you do is roll your stuff up. Don't have any issue with anything. And it saves your back. They're pretty lightweight. Maybe weigh about 30 or 40 pounds at the most. Can easily pick them up with one hand. But I've not had any issue with them slipping off of a tailgate or anything like that. As long as you know what you're doing and you're cognizant of that fact that these can slip, if you don't have them ratcheted down, you should be just fine. This mower is a lot lighter, so I normally pick these up, but we'll roll it up anyway since I've already got the ramps up. So the only thing you have to do when you get these is take them out of the box. They come in a long cardboard box, and you have to put these two pieces on. It's pretty easy. The bolts just go right through. There's no washers under the head, but there are a normal flat washer, then it's a lock washer, then it's the nut. Stupid easy to install them. I think they were 13 millimeter or 12 millimeter, one of the two. So not too bad. Definitely happy with them. Definitely recommend them. Should have bought them years ago.